Hey, Barry here. I just wanted to give you a quick video on the art and science of content creation and going back and finding cool stuff that you've posted or that you've edified that others have posted on your Facebook page. Basically, I think I'm going to call this the art of, I think I'll call it making Facebook your slave. I think that'll be a good title. So let's start with curating, saving posts through folders. Not a lot of people know you can do this. So I like this post. I like this video. It's all about entitlement, gender war stuff, race, social justice warrior crap. And I think this guy makes a good point. So I want to come up here to those three little dots right there. I want to click that. I want to save video. You'll notice it says add to collection. When you click add to collection, I've got a list of existing collections. I want to click on Mind Shots, because this video is a good mind shot. So that's the first thing you want to do, because as you know, depending on how busy your feed is, you can scroll and 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 find stuff or not find stuff. But now you can come over here to your saved area, come over here to saved, under Explorer, click the Facebook icon at the top first, and then you'll see your collections. And I've got collections there from Infusionsoft to publishing to what the beep to metaphysical to humor, crypto. Now I can just come over here to say crypto and see stuff that's been saved around crypto that I want to go and find or maybe reshare or send somebody a PM. Like for instance, I can share this now. This is my own stuff actually. And I can come over here and share this. I can send it to whoever I want. Public, friends, share on my timeline, share in a group, share on a page, share on private message. You get the gist. But kind of hard to share stuff if you're, spending minutes and minutes and hours even possibly trying to find it from past years. So what I'd recommend is going back through your post, finding stuff that really stands out, that really has a lot of oomph, and coming up here to the hamburger, I don't know what you call that, the three-dot menu, hit Save Post, Add to Collection. I'm going to unsave that because I don't know what that is. I do know Matt Trainer, but I don't know what that is. All right, that's the first thing you want to be able to do. The second thing is you want to learn how to follow people properly. So let's say Troy White, longtime collaborator, businessman I know. I got to make sure that if I want to get notifications from him, specifically, I click Get Notifications. Don't want notifications from him, so I'm going to unclick it. Pretty simple. But people kind of overlook that. So use Get Notifications or not. I can see him first. And now on See First, there is a limit. Oops. There's a limit, I think, of 30 people that you can follow by seeing first. And if I click Let's Do It, it says prioritize who to see first. And pretty sure this was 30 people that you can use this with. But I can uncheck some of these. Anybody with a star, I want to see their post first. And that is that. I can click Learn More to learn more. What does it mean to see first? When you select a person or page to see first, their post appear at the top of your news feed. Person or page won't know you selected them. And you can continue to read more about that if you want, but pretty self-explanatory. But again, it is often overlooked. So when you're whining or hearing people complain or bitch about what they're not finding or they're not getting notifications from their friend, by golly, it could be because they're not using this stuff. Worst Bill Clinton impression I've had for the day. And I usually do one Bill Clinton impression for the day. So that's that. See first, default, you can unfollow, and you can get notifications. Those three things will help you have a more curated, more positively joyful Facebook newsfeed. All right, over and out.